Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to use your Bumble dating app on your mobile phone. Now first of all, open your App Store or your Play Store on your mobile phone and type in Bumble. Now after you have typed in Bumble, it will show you Bumble dating and make friends. Click on it and click on install. Now after it is being installed on your mobile phone, as you can see here, Bumble dating app is used by 50 million plus downloads user and has got 4.3 ratings by all the users it has been used by. Now as you can see, my Bumble app is installed and it is being checked for viruses or any other risks by my mobile phone. Now after opening my Bumble dating app, it has given me two options if continuing with Facebook or use mobile number. So I'm going to use my mobile number and type in my mobile number and hit next. And after that, it will send me a code on SMS on my mobile number, and as you can see, it sent me a code and copy pasted on its own on this Bumble app. So I'm gonna make new account saying don't use existing account and click on I'm sure create new account. Now after that, set location services on, saying while using this app, not allowing the notifications, and I'm gonna put my name saying Sagar. Add two photos of mine. So in Bumble, your photos have to be very clearly that it shows your face like this, and your second photo can be anything you want. So especially you need to put two photos when you're starting in Bumble dating app and hit next. Now put your date of birth, and in Bumble you need to be above 18 or at least 18 to open Bumble dating app. Now choose on the gender you are, and you can also choose the options you want to show if on your profile, and click on the mode that you want to use your Bumble app, date or BFF, and hit next. Click on the gender you want to date, man or woman, so I'm going to choose on woman. I'm going to also choose something casual that I'm hoping to find, and you can also put your email address, but I'm going to skip for now. So if you want to put your Instagram or connect your Instagram, but I'm gonna not do that. My interests are deep chats, badminton, dancing, and karaoke and cooking, and you can choose up to only 5 interests from here. Now you can also choose your height, but I'm gonna skip it. So I'm gonna say I'm working out sometimes, and I'm gonna choose Leo for my star signs and hitting next. I'm an undergraduate on education. I drink very rarely and smoke never, and not sure if I want to have kids. Now I'm gonna skip religion and my political learnings. I'm gonna skip it and skip this one too. So if you want to add more about you, so I'm gonna type in some cliche line on my bio, and I'm gonna hit done, and also click on got it again, and click on I agree. Now you have successfully created your Bumble account. So click on start swiping. Now it will teach you, if you are interested then swipe right, and it will say interested, then you can swipe right, but if you're uninterested then swipe left. Now if you really like this person, then as you can see, go down and you can see all the info about this person, and swipe right again if you are interested. Now in Bumble you can even chat with a match, and you can even see who is interested in you by clicking on this heart logo on the bottom screen of the Bumble app. Now if you click on the bottom right corner logo, that is a text message, then you can see here, if you find a match here, then you can text with that person right here. And if you click on between the logo app, then you can see you'll start matching with people here if you find the right match. So I'm gonna swipe right for now. If I find any person I find interest and I got any match with them. And to edit profile, click on this profile logo that is on bottom left corner, and as you can see, I can edit my profile by clicking on the settings logo, and as you can see here, I can edit my profile here. Now also, if you want to edit all of the above stuffs that you saw before, as you can see here, I clicked on complete my profile, and as you can see, I can fill all the forms that I have left. And if you go on these three bars that is on top left corner, you can even choose the mode where you chose date mode for now. And to log out or to delete your account, go to your profile again, go to settings, scroll down, and as you can see, there are both the options, the logout and the delete account. And that's it for now. And that's how you use Bumble app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.